Hello and welcome to Edge Sports UK. Today we'll be taking you through the Juin Tech R1 cable actuated hydraulic disc brake. The Juin Tech R1 is manufactured by Great General Braking. So here we have the box set for the Juin Tech R1. And I'll just open that up now and show you the contents. So inside this box set we have the instructions. We have two 160mm 6-bolt stainless steel rotors. To one side. The brakes are designed to work with 160mm rotors. This gives the optimum braking, not to be used with anything smaller. To allow you to take your frame to 160 front and rear, Juin Tech provide you with two very lightweight aluminium adapters. Okay, we have the long bolts to be used with the adapters. Okay, front and rear again. Everything in here is to install full setup, front and rear. Okay. If you don't need the adapters and your frame has post mounts that are suitable for 160, which our Edge Design CCX Pro disc frame does, we can direct mount front and rear. We supply the short bolts as well. Okay, so that's for direct mounting the caliper. You also get 12 torque head disc rotor bolts as well. They're all included in the set. So you have everything you need to do a direct swap over and install these brakes. Okay, right, the brakes themselves, you get a pair, both identical calipers, can be used on the front or the rear. There's no front or rear specific. Okay, so we've got a pair of calipers there. That's what they look like. These particular ones are anodized red. They come in black, blue, green and red. Okay, so let's go through the caliper. Caliper it's aluminium in construction. It weighs approximately 143 grams, which is probably the lightest cable pull hydraulic disc brake on the market at the moment. Turn that around. Okay, it uses a standard Shimano pad, readily available. Okay, they're in there, pad retaining bolt. The brake itself operates on a closed system. So it's closed hydraulic system in there. There's no need to bleed these brakes. The bleed screws are there, but they're for production purposes. Okay, so we've got a bleed screw here, and we've also got a bleed screw here. Okay, just to reaffirm that you do not need to bleed these brakes as they're a closed system. So let's try and get, there we go, we've focused in. So the cable actuation, we've got the master cylinder down here. And if we just carefully bring that up to the camera and we'll operate, we can see a nice parallel push there of the brakes. That's the resting position of the pistons. They don't fully go back in. If I let go of this, it automatically defaults to that position. There we go. Okay, so like I say, these are a direct replacement for Avids, TRPs, any cable actuated disc brake that you may have on your bike at the moment. These can be a direct replacement for. Okay, they're filled with mineral oil. Your cable comes through here and just clamps in here. Alright, as they're a closed system, the pad take up is done manually. That is done using this clever little simple design here. Once your cable's in, you just twist this and that will actually just pull that in a bit, and that'll do the pad take up. Okay, we rode the Three Peaks cyclocross race last year and we didn't have any need to adjust the pads during that ride. Okay, you'll find there's very pad adjustment will be minimal. Okay, the good thing about these brakes over the competitors is they will work with all forms of lever manufacturer. So they'll work with SRAM, they'll work with Shimano, and they will also work with Campagnolo. Okay, Let's see if we can get that to focus in nicely again. We'll have a look at that actuation. Okay, there we go. Again, you're getting the advantage of a hydraulic brake. You're getting the parallel push on the pads, whereas a mechanical brake only operates one side of the pad, which can cause disc twist, etc. Okay, so that is the Juin Tech R1 cable actuated hydraulic disc brake, or cable hydros as they're known. Full set, work across all ranges, very good looking caliber, very low maintenance as well. Okay, so there we have it. Thank you very much for listening to our blog today. We hope you liked it, informative. If you do have any questions, contact us on sales@edgesportsuk.com or go to our website www.edgesportsuk.com. Thank you very much.